is, handling all honey concept like differential calculus, integral calculus, analytical geometry. I'm so happy that, some of you heard my voice before, right? Okay. So when I teach, concept like this, for +1 and +2, children sitting in front of me will be looking at me that, where are you flying? I used to feel like, flying in the air. So, but the end user, they'll be, making their face like this. Can I see my face? Making their face like this, where are you flying? We are all sitting here. So it will be very difficult for me to convince them that the math is easy subject here, because within 2 years, they will be going out of the school by having the tag on their head. Math is difficult. So I want to know why it's happening. So I just left my passion classroom once, like Buddha left the palace to find the truth of, human being, happiness of human being. So how to find the solution? I have to go to lower classes. Am I correct or not? So first time in your life, I peeped into 10th standard. You won't believe. I didn't get the solution. Then 9th, then 8th, then 7th, then 6th. People are the same tag. And then 5th. Somehow I got, I'm towards the solution. Then 4th, then 3rd, then 2nd, and the 1st. You won't believe I got the enlightenment like Buddha got enlightenment under the Bodhi tree. My Bodhi tree is 1 to 5. Teachers, tell me your experience. 1 to 5 teachers. 1 to 5 teachers, can you text me? Am I correct or not? Children will be very, very expressive, very, very, interactive during math math session. Am I correct? Right. When they come to 6th standard, the problem starts somehow, right? Children used to ask, ma'am, you have given me English book instead of maths, or all A, B, C, is there X, Y, Z. Are yaar, that is algebra. Is it algebra? Right? So this is what happens. Then slowly the gap starts and it goes on and on and on. When they come to 10th standard, it becomes Cancer's 3rd stage, and 11th and 12th, Cancer 5th stage. Even Brahma cannot be pure. So I want to bridge this gap. Okay, tell me, can any one of you respond me that for the question? I'll be asking question, don't be panic, because if I say x plus 2 equal to 5, x plus 2 equal to 5, what is the response? X plus 2 equal to 5. Very good. From Revati, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, so many threes. Thank you, thank you, thank you. If I say x plus 6 equal to 5, you are not able to control yourself. Did I ask the question? Did I ask the answer? Did I ask the answer? I said, just rewind and, rewind and just, think. What did I ask? I asked only x plus 2 equal to 5. But you are not able to control yourself. X is equal to 3, as if I am going to give you the toffee for the right answer. Right? This is what math teacher's problem. You are not able to control yourself. Okay. Let me ask one thing. If I say x plus 2 is equal to 5, then will you accept 3.001 as an answer? 3.001. No. Okay. Or x is equal to 2.9999. No. Okay. I will ask one simple question. You would have gone for Diwali shopping with your husband to the garment showroom, spending from morning 9 o'clock till 4 o'clock. Your husband will be sitting with the watchman, having morning tiffin, having lunch with the watchman, and then 4 o'clock you coming out of the garment showroom showing that your husband, this time I didn't get my shade which I wanted. This time I will adjust with this shade. Am I correct or not? I will adjust with this, right or not? Will you be able to get Tirunelveli halwa in Delhi? Tirunelveli Irtikadai halwa in Delhi? No, maybe. Will you get a Tirunelveli halwa in Washington, D.C.? No. You will be getting halwa more or less equal to Tirunelveli's, right? Not exactly. Yes. What I'm trying to tell is, your exact solution is not existing throughout your life here. Exact solution exists only in mathematics. That is the problem. Am I correct or not? You are accepting 2.99 in case of your sari. You are accepting 3.0001 in case of Tirunelveli halwa, but you are not able to accept 3.001 or 2.99 in mathematics class. That is the problem. Let me ask one question. So my question will be having only feasible solution, not exact solution. So be free to express your experience. I'm not expecting exact solution. I'm not expecting x is equal to 3. I expect 2.99 or even 2.5 sometimes. What should be done so that our children will be actively participating in our classroom? Tell me. This is open to all. You can type me. What must be what we should do so that children actively taking part inside our math classroom, one by one activity. Very good. Make it interactive and lively. Very good. Connect to daily. Very good. And activity. Very good. Keep the class interactive. Okay. Must give hands. Okay. Activity. Very good. Oh, Barbary. Play way method. Oh. Life-oriented. Okay. Because they are asking, ma'am, I'm going to become a doctor. Why should I learn a sine square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1? We have to teach play. Okay. Interactive questions. Very good. Flashcards. Very good. Okay. Shall we finish? Because so many response here. Okay. Thank you so much. So what was my question? Can I have a blackboard? Sorry, whiteboard? This is what my question, right? Are you able to, Sweta, are you able to see the board?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Clear it.
But everybody is operating, so that is why I think we need to disable.
Please don't use the board, dear. I'm not able to use the board.
1 second, sir. I have closed the whiteboard. We will just
1 second, Shweta. I'm resharing it.
Thank you.
1 minute.
No, someone is using.
Yeah. Vijay, can you restrict for others from using the whiteboard?
One moment. Yeah.
So my question was, what must be done so that our children actively taking part inside of math class? So somebody say we have to include ABL, activity-based learning, and somebody says, we have to include activity. We have to use, connecting mathematics. We have to use, aids, everything. Okay, I will segregate one by one. Do you think that we are not using aids? Do you think that we are not connecting mathematics? Or textbook itself a witness for that? Because we have word problem. Rama had 347 bananas and Lakshmana had 240 bananas, and children will be looking like this. Plus minus Then you will say all together how much? All together, okay, all together. Then we have to add, because they have 347 and 247 in their hand. They should know what to be done. It should be subtracted or added. So they will be looking for the keywords. Same Lakshmana will have 3,000 or 40,487 bananas, and Lakshmana will 38,448 banana. Why? Because 5th standard. 5-digit. Rama will not change. Lakshmana will not change. Even banana will not change. Right? So wherever it is possible, we are connecting our mathematics. So we are using aids. We are connecting mathematics, and we are including puzzles and quizzes in between. And we are very much very good in using short cuts methods and everything, but our problem, our solution is not, we are not able to find the solution. We are not able to find the solution. What was my question?
Sorry to interrupt you, sir. Can you start the whiteboard now?
1 minute.
Vijay, others can operate it.
No, somebody is using whiteboard.
Yes.
I am not able to use the whiteboard.
Everybody is using it. Vijay, stop kar dijiye. No problem. Just stop the whiteboard.
Okay.
So my question was, how to make our children to take 100% contribution towards math class. So I will change my question like this. Children love mathematics if and only if. This is what my question. Children love mathematics if and only if. If and only if means very pakka condition. If this happens, then only that will happen. Children love math if and only if. Is there anyone? Is there anyone? Children love math if and only if. Very good, Sumya.
So there are answers coming if it is thought activity way, if it is understood.
Yeah. Like math teacher. Who said like math teacher?
Yeah, if they easy
Very
to
good, very good. You have found out the 50% of the answer. Children love math if and only if they love math teachers. How does it sound? How does it sound? Am I correct or not? Math teachers, please understand that this is a formula. Children love subject if and only if they love subject expert is a formula applicable only for 2 subjects, not all the subjects, only 2 subjects. One is math, other one is why English? Why English? Why science? Not history, yaar. Not history. Ashoka laid in number of trees along roadside when my grandparents studied in 1920s. The same Ashoka laid in number of trees along the roadside when my father studied in 1950s. Same Ashoka laid in number of trees along roadside when I studied in 1980s. Arey Baba, yes, still Ashoka laying in number of trees along roadside when my son is studying in 2020. No change. So don't say that it is history. Children love subject if and only if they love subject math, subject expert. It's a formula to applicable for only 2 subjects. One is math, one is language. Because our brain is divided into 2 parts. Left for logic, right for art. That's all. Nobody can be, stronger in 100% to one side and 0%. No. God will create, 51, 90 in that case only. Suppose, children good in 51%, strong in left, they'll be good in mathematics, logical thinking. Those who are, strong in right, they'll be good in art, and they'll be become poet. They'll be become writer or something. Humanities side. So it is only 2 parts. That's all. So these 2 subjects are inbuilt. Have you ever heard Jean Piaget, the famous Swiss educationist who made so many experiments with his own 2 children and made the statement. You would have come across with when you were in B.Ed. Yeah, psychologist, educationist. Now he said, children of age 5 entering into class 1 by knowing all the arithmetical skills. Sweta, most of the teachers from Tamil Nadu or
We have from entire South, sir, but yeah, we have from Tamil Nadu majority. We have from Andhra, Telangana, and Kerala.
Okay. So you would have heard, children while playing among themselves. Hey, Usha, you are not able to join this game because it's a pair game. You go and bring a pair. They know multiplication. What happened to that guy? Yesterday we had 6. Now we have only, yesterday we had 7. We have only 6. What is this? X minus 1 equal to. I need blackboard. What happened to that guy? Yesterday we had 7. Now we have only 6. What does it mean? X minus 1 equal to 6. That means x is equal to 7. They know all the arithmetical. This comes only in 7th standard. This is called linear equation. But children know at age of 5 itself. We are very, very, very good in naming all the terminologies like linear equation with 1 variable, and it will have only 1 root. And equation and addition, subtraction, everything, multiplication, everything very well. Yeah, they don't know anything, but they are very smart in their calculation. What? Because of they have their own environment, in their own language. Everything changes when they enter into class 1. What happens? You are giving a book and neatly arranged furnitures. It's like a military discipline. and a monster is standing in front of me. I'm only the math, proprietor. So they get shocked. They know everything. They have, up to 8th standard level concepts in their mind, in their own language, in their own environment, everything. But we are, just forcing them to adapt into our environment. That is a problem between teacher and the student. Am I cut or not? Am I cut or not? So what I'm trying to tell is, children will have a Lakshman Rekha around them. Mark it. Children have Lakshman Rekha around them. They will have a circle. In that circle, nobody can enter into that circle except their father and mother, not even siblings. But in that circle, one person can enter, the teacher. If that is math teacher, then you don't have any problem at all. Am I right or not? So you have to create that kind of environment. Children will be very, very comfortable with your presence, because they don't need aids. They don't need connecting mathematics. They don't need any kind of fun. They don't need any kind of quiz and puzzles. They need your presence. Whenever you enter into the math classroom, they used to show their their face like, hey, Suresh, see, 40 minutes, blah, 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 blah. Then when you enter, they will show you your, good morning, miss. Okay, miss. This is what happening. Why? They are pretending as if they are loving you all. That is not true. Rather than, it should be like, ma'am, you are 5 minutes late, ma'am. Out of 45 minutes, he has gone, ma'am. Come on, ma'am. Teach us, ma'am. Very good gesture of learning mathematics. Ma'am, you were on leave, ma'am. Your voice is not audible. Can you speak a little bit louder? Hello, Divya. Hello. Are you able to hear?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. It's clear.
Somebody is telling that the voice is not clear.
Okay. Sir, you want to use the whiteboard? You can, sir. It is working fine now. You can try.
Working fine, working fine. Okay, okay.
Yes.
Rather than a child should come. Ma'am, yesterday you were on leave, ma'am. Whole day it was boring, ma'am. Whenever you take leave, before informing principal, please inform me, ma'am. I will also take leave, ma'am. Very good gesture of learning mathematics. This is what you have to create. Then everybody, see, I will tell you, I will narrate your own, circumference, your own circumstance. How you people are, making your days as a math teacher. Can any one of you define your profession as a math teacher? Can any one of you define your math teacher profession, your profession? Okay, I will tell you. It's a webinar. No, I won't be able to get your comment right now. I will narrate my own. I have my own definition, and then you will definitely accept it. What is our profession? It is like running inside running train. Am I correct or not? Running inside running train. It is very difficult to understand. Okay, I will explain. You are sitting in a train. Somebody is taking somebody is taking luggage and running. Still train is running. That fellow is running inside running train, and you are asking, why are you running? That fellow, that clever fellow says that I am very punctual, but train is late. Have you understood? But train is late. I am going to get down. Go, get down. This is what the scenario of math teacher. How will you think about that man? Mad, right? Mad, right? He is telling that he is very punctual, but train is later. So he is going to get down at the exact time. Where will he get down? He will go and hit against the engine, or he will fall on the railroad. Am I cut or not? Math teacher, this is what our profession. You thought that they are all he was mad. We are all mad. We are all running inside running train. Do you remember that? When Suresh is asking, ma'am, I didn't understand the concept. No. Next week you have terminal examination. Ma'am, I didn't understand the concept at all, ma'am. No. Tomorrow you have terminal exam. Because I have covered the portion. I have finished the syllabus, right? Where will you get hit against the engine? When you correct the question answer sheet. Suresh, what happened? Only 3 marks. Then he will say, ma'am, I told you that day itself, ma'am. You can finish your portion. You can cover the syllabus. But the end user is not par level. But I'm not blaming you all people, because that is also needed. But the thing is, you have to utilize. Please take down, math teachers, golden whiteboard.
So do you want me to play the PPT?
Yeah, you show. 1 minute, I will tell you. Sweta, I will tell you.
Fine, sir.
Whiteboard. I'm not able to use whiteboard.
Not able to lock it.
Okay. Hello? Can you hear me? Hello?
Yes, sir, we're able to hear you.
But so what I'm trying to tell is, utilize golden 10 minutes. Please, teachers, note down golden 10 minutes. You may teach 35 minutes or 30 minutes, but to bridge this gap between children and teacher, especially math teacher, you have to utilize golden 10 minutes. My workshop will be regarding only that, right? How to enter into that circle. This is what main agenda of today's workshop, right? I used to have the when I told you that I got idea from 1 to 5. What I did was, I taught first standard. then second year, first and second standard, then first, second, third, then first, second, third, fourth, then first, second, third, fourth, fifth, and first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth, 10th, 11th, and 12th. I used to teach 55 periods out of 45 because I used to teach 1 to 12. So I got an opportunity to bring my children wherever I go. So I got very good result. I made so many experiments. I documented all the experiments. And whenever when the child was with me in first standard, when they came to 12th standard, they were in the same mood of having happiness during math class. So I want to share all my experiments, all my methodologies which children taught me. No university taught me how to teach mathematics. See, learning mathematics is entirely different from teaching mathematics. You may be good in so many whiteboard, no?
whiteboardல பண்ணாலே நம்ம வந்து வெளிய வர மாதிரி option வரும்.
Children used to ask me, yesterday you told me that 2 plus 3. I want to write on my board, but it is not working right now. I will try once. 1 minute.
உள்ள போட சார். இந்த 1K இருந்துச்சதுனால உள்ள
1 minute. Teachers, please cooperate with me because you are writing on the board. I am not able to use. See? Okay. See. Okay. No issues. I'll ask one simple question. Now, are you all convinced that children love math if and only if they love math teachers? Children love math if and only if they love math teachers? Sounds good? So try to see, ordinary teacher explains. The superior teacher demonstrates. The great teacher inspires. There are 3 categories of teachers. So you can select the category. Ordinary teacher explains. Superior teacher demonstrates. And the great teacher inspires. If that third category teacher becomes math teacher, then you no need to run inside the train. The engine will start. Am I correct or not? Good. Thank you so much. So this is what was my first mantra I learned from the students. Because they have all my arithmetical skills, inbuilt software. We have, what we are doing is, when I ask x plus 2 is equal to 5, then nobody could control yourself. X is equal to, x is equal to, x is equal to. This is what we are pushing from outside. Like history. Because like history subject, there is no evidence, there is no confirmation. But math is, subject with blood and flesh, I used to say. Am I correct or not? Blood and flesh. Math can be smelled, math can be, touched, math can be, seen. We are not creating that kind of situation. We are just, pushing from outside. You are not supposed to push from outside math, rather than you have to extract from inside. You have to extract from inside. For that, yeah, I'm telling you one more. This is a very apt example for teaching mathematics. Teaching mathematics is like, breaking egg. Like, if an egg is broken from outside, fraction of second, life ends. It becomes half boil or omelette. Am I correct or not? Am I correct or not? If an egg is broken from outside, life ends. It becomes half boil or omelette. Fraction of second. If that same egg is broken from inside, life begins. But you compare the, timings, duration for these two events. First one is breaking from outside, fraction of second. Second one is, hatching period, 30 to 35 days. But life begins. This is what you have to keep in your mind, that you are here to break the egg. But internally or externally, that is in your hand. Have you understood? It will take some time here. It will not cover the syllabus. You won't be able to cover the timetable. You are not able to cope up with your lesson plan. But the child is there. So this is your. I'm not telling you. I'm not here to give you math class, because already you people are math experts. Who am I to teach you mathematics? But the thing is, teaching mathematics is, highly peculiar concept. You have to take all these things from your mind. You have to be very, very passionate. History teacher, you take history or English teacher, no need to have any kind of experience. Everything, everything structured, everything is kind of organized. There is no second thought on it. When did he get freedom? 1947, August 15. Nobody can change. But math is not like that. You have to be very, very, very careful. Slowly. Let the engine start. Let engine start. You are not supposed to run inside the train. Am I correct or not? Ready? Okay. The next. As a teacher, you have to read here. I was voracious reader once. Meticulous. I used to read 18 hours together. I used to skip my meals in between even sometimes. What did I read? Education pedagogy and children's psychology, how to teach mathematics, math journal. I used to read. See, as a teacher, you have to. I know very well the responsibility on your shoulder. Morning 4 o'clock, 4:30, you are getting up and then making tiffin for your life partner as well as your children separately, and then you will have, and then rushing towards the school, and then putting your finger on that what? What is that? Attendance, biometric. And then coming out of the school after 6 o'clock, and then making tiffin for dinner for your partner as well as your children, and then the sink. I know very well, yeah. As a a female, the sink is the biggest sin for her. Because I used to wash, in sink. God made me also. 1 year I also had with my children. I know very well. Making all this thing and sending your children to the bedroom and close the window, put AC on, everybody go to bed, and you will sit with pen and paper. Mummy, what are you doing? I'm going to sit with a question paper at the night, 10 o'clock. Am I getting that? I know very well. I know very well. I know very well. That too, you will make question paper and you will write your school name, and the Vivekananda Medical has his goal, and first term quarterly examination and class 6 and maximum mark 100, and first Roman letter answer all the questions. One stops. The pen stops. You will write what is 10 minus 60. Suddenly you will remember Suresh. Suresh will not know this. Rabbit. And 1/2 plus 1/3 equal to, that Sujata will not know this here. Rabbit. Correct or not? When you prepare the question paper, you will have, all students, they will come in front of you and dance a little bit. When you finish the question paper, it will be 3 o'clock in the morning. Am I correct or not? So I know very well about this scenario. This scenario, I know very well. But I am begging you all people, at least, can you spare at least 1 hour or 1.5 hours per week or not to read? See, you people are conducting drama soon after terminal exam, right? Soon after terminal exam, you will be conducting a drama. What drama? Can anyone of you share? Soon after terminal exam, you will conduct a drama at school. What is a drama? Very good. Very good. Very good. So everyone is conversing. Report, PTA meeting. Right. Very good. Very good. When I said, drama, you people are convincing. So that's drama only, because I know Suresh, Suresh knows me, and me and Suresh know his parents. Then what is the meaning of conducting this? It is a custom. We have to, right? And Suresh will tell you, ma'am, don't tell my mom all these things. Then you will also tell Suresh, hey, Suresh, you tell your mom not to ask all these things to me, right? Everything is scripted drama only, In the time of meeting, Suresh mother will sit in front of you, and you will be sitting in front of her, and both of you will have the your face like, bravery, as if you're so brave. But you keep, somebody keeps a hand on your heart, the sounds like duk duk, duk duk, and duk duk. Am I correct or not? You will be thinking, what is she going to ask? And she'll be thinking, what is she going to tell? How this meeting will end, do you know? It is like, I used to say from Tamil only. It is like, Maniratnam's film. In Tamil Nadu, teachers from Tamil Nadu, what is the specialty of Maniratnam's film? Maniratnam's film? Less dialogue. Very good. Few words. Very good. Our meeting will finish like, what happened? She will ask. This is what happened. The response. Take care. Then you will say, okay. Then she will ask, shall I go? Put your signature. Am I got it out? In nowadays, Chennai and Bangalore and all, teachers are giving party for the successful parent-teacher meeting. I saw literally. Teacher was giving party for successful PTA meeting. Why? Because we are not able to, accept children as they are, because we are dancing for so many tunes nowadays. So today's teacher, we have to be very, 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 updated. So that is the reason I will give you some of the, some of the books which gave me a very, entirely different view. And I got very confident. I became very confident. I was also there. I was also same teacher like, duk, duk, duk. Then I started, reading all these books. I will give you what, some of the books which gave me a new idea. First one is How Children Learn, How Children Fail. Take down, please, teachers. How Children Learn, How Children Fail by John Holt. He was a US, Washington, D.C. He belonged to Washington, D.C. Who taught, 4th and 5th. Why I'm asking you all people to read books? Because there are so many teachers, they just squeezed their life and made as a book. If you read their book, suppose, I am 30 years old. If I read John Holt books, who wrote when he was 50-year-old, I'll become 70 years. Sorry, 30 plus 50, 80 years. Not physically, but mentally. Because there are so many teachers, they just squeeze their life, entire life, and made book. So I will give you some of their books. Please, please, please go through their books. I'm not going to review their book because it's your duty. I'm not here to give you a fish for a meal. I'm going to make you all be equal to fish. Then only you won't come again to me. You have to be independent. So the books are, the first one is How Children Learn, How Children Fail by John Holt. I repeat, How Children Learn, How Children Fail. John Holt, JOHN HOLT. John
Sir,
Holt.
shall I play the PPT because it's there
Yeah,
on
yeah,
the...
it's there. Play the PPT.
Yeah, yes.
Thank you. Books to be read. How Children Learn, How Children Fail from John Holt. Divasapna from Gijubai Badega. And one minute. Prophet, Khalil Gibran. Have you ever heard of Khalil Gibran? Khalil Gibran? Very good. Very good. Very good. Very good. Very good. Khalil Gibran is a Lebanese philosopher who wrote this book. It is like Tirukkural in Tamil. And Tirukkural, Tiruvalluvar, takes one topic under that. He used to describe through 10 poems. Like that, Khalil Gibran in Prophet, he used to take one topic and describes in two or three pages. Very, very, very good book here, which made me thinking entirely different in manner. When I read this book, I was only 19 years old. I was not able to understand some of the concept. And later on, it just rocked me like anything. In that prophet, he used to select the topics like if you come across the topic, you will be surprised. The topic will be husbands, wives, lawyer, parent, teacher, students, children. So like that. In that, you used to address parents like. Next, PPT next. Sweta. Next, PPT. Next. In parent section, Khalil Gibran says, your children are not your children. How come? How dare is he? He says, your children are not your children. They are sons and daughters of life longing for itself. And though they have you, yet they belong not to you. You may give your love, not your thought. You may build their house, not their home. Because, next, PPT next. Because they come through you, not from you. When I read this sentence, which is highlighted, I was only 19 years old. I didn't understand. I went and asked so many family men. Even they were not able to understand. Why? Because the words are very, very strong. They come through you, not from you. When I got married, after a couple of years, I could understand 50% of the meaning of this. When I had my children, I had 75%. When they grow up, I got 100%. Still now, when I get wake up from the bed, I used to recite that my son is not my son. He came through you, not from you. See, very good contract. I can give them only food and shelter here. You are not supposed to force your thought. You are not supposed to, stand in front of them in their life. Because their life is something different. Their life is, waiting outside house. So these kind of thought, gave me a very, very vital kind of, a view towards teaching. So I am giving you all these books to you all people. Please, please, please. These all books, available in net, in a PDF something. Good. So some comments are coming. Wait. So this is what I want to know. I want to show you all people. Okay. When will you say that Abhita knows counting? Don't ask who is Abhita. Don't ask who is Abhita. Abhita is Abhita. Sitting in front of you and learning. And here you are teaching counting. At one point, you have to give her certificate that my Abhita knows counting. What is your expectation? You tell me. You will have in your mind, Abhita should know this. No, don't ask her how old is she, where is she coming from, what about their parents? Is she coming from rural or urban? I don't know anything. Do you think that the children sitting in your classroom are all fit to be enough in that classroom or not? No. If you are teaching 6th standard, somebody will be in 5th standard, somebody will be in 4th standard, somebody will be in 1st standard even. So when will you say that Abhita knows counting? So what is your expectation when Abhita, comes to you and learns from you that how to count, and you are expecting something, that will be that will be in your mind. Evaluation is your part. So you tell me one by one that what is your expectation. Somebody says that should be able to say answer. What knows numbering concept? Okay. Given particular sorting number, okay. Identification, okay. Somebody says, number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, okay. Real life situation, okay. Identifying number, okay. Backward counting. And what are when she knows counting and the numbers? Counting number. Counting number means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, right? Tens, able to add, able to subtract, able to multiply. Right. Very good. Arrange in order. Very good. Knowing numbers, addition together, subtraction, division. Okay. Bus. Okay. How many participants are there?
1K, 1,000, 1K.
Okay. Teachers, what did they ask? When will you say that Abhita knows counting? Somebody says she should know 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Somebody says in the backward 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. Somebody says, skip counting. Somebody says addition. 240 plus 120 equal to 360. Yeah, right. And somebody says, she should be able to compare, 5 is greater than 3 and 10 is less than 15. Okay, everything. But my question was very simple. When will you say that Abhita knows counting? Very few responded that, sir, she should be able to, count objects. Okay. Dear teachers, I will share my experience. I interviewed more than 100 teachers of language teachers. They were following a beautiful method without their knowledge. That is the beauty of the thing. Without their knowledge. I will show you, right? The method of teaching. Language teachers. Okay. Sweta, can you play? Can you go to the next slide? Next. That formula to teach mathematics is called ELPS. E means experience, L means language, P means picture, S means symbol. Wait. They were following a beautiful method. I segregated everything and made it a formula to teach mathematics. See, as a math teacher, we are very, smart in using a formula, because we may do mistakes, but formula will not. So I made a formula. That formula is ELPS. This is a mantra here. This is a mantra. If you learn ELPS, if you chant ELPS whenever you go to maths class, before touching your chalk piece, you say ELPS is there or not. I will explain one by one. Next slide. E means experience. Suppose a boy wants if a language teacher wants the child to learn the word BALL, that means that is her ultimate goal. What she's doing is she gives ball and allows the boy or girl to play with that. The boy, plays very joyfully, and he knows that, hey, I can kick the ball, I can kick this. Hey, it rolls here, it bounces here. Hey, it's made up of leather here. What is inside? Air must be there, yeah. So he learns all the characteristics of the ballness. This is what experience. Have you understood? Next, L. Next day, he goes to the teacher and asks, ma'am, you give me that object, ma'am. Then ma'am asks, what is that? Ma'am, that was, ma'am, spherical in shape, ma'am. Ma'am, air was filled in, ma'am. What are you asking? Ma'am, it was bouncing, ma'am. It was rolling, ma'am. He's not able to say the word correctly. Finally, the teacher says, do you want ball? Oh, is that cut ball, ma'am? You give me ball, ma'am. Next, language goes inside this. So he was struggling to get that object. He was describing all the attributes except the word. When she says in a ball, now he catches her. Oh, is that called ball? And third day, fourth day goes, and man, give me the ball, give me the ball. He doesn't want to, kind of, describing all the attributes. This is what language. See, first experience, second one, language. Third, teachers, math teachers, is very, very important step. Picture. P means picture. Whenever he comes across the picture, ball picture, he immediately recalls. Hey, I know very well, this is ball. It bounces. I can kick this. It will roll. There is cricket ball. There is a tennis ball. He is able to recollect all his experience without the presence of ball. This is what abstract level used to say as in math field. This is called abstract because we people are dealing only with this in this stage. We have to make them understand all the things we are teaching without the actual presence of the content. This happens. This becomes successful only when the child has experience. Abstract level concept can be taught only. Wait. Abstract level concept can be taught only when children have experience. Otherwise, you will be teaching, children will be thinking something. So this is what picture. The next stage, symbol. S means symbol. ELPS. Finally, the teacher writes in the blackboard BALL. Math teachers, tell me. In P level and S level, both were on the blackboard only. In P level, there was a ball. There was something a ball. But where is the ball here? BALL. Where is the ball? There is no ball. Both were on blackboard. But in P level, show me P level, Sweta, P level. P level. There is something ball here. And next, where is the ball? But the child learns, okay, this is what ball are. I know very well. This is what that, spherical shape, air filled in, So finally he writes, and even if he's not able to express, he writes on a paper, ma'am, give me BALL. So successfully the teacher, transforms what is her objective very successfully through this hierarchical level. E, L, P, finally S. The teachers may say that it is LSRW, listening, speaking, reading, and writing. But actually that is not ELPS. Correct? Math teachers, I need all your comment. Language teachers, hierarchy is E, L, P, finally S. Finally S. E, L, P, S. Finally S. Now you tell me what is our hierarchy? Math teachers hierarchy. Please tell me in your comment box. E, L, P, S is a hierarchy. What is our hierarchy? Very good. SPL. We are starting with symbol. It's an unnatural way of teaching. Sweta Suda. Sweta Suda. If you talk, will everyone hear? Huh? So I will ask you something. You have to
Yes.
respond to me. And everyone here, All right. Sweta, how old are you?
38, sir.
38, and you got married and your children?
I have one daughter.
One daughter. How old is she?
What is 12 years, sir?
12 years, and she must be in 7th or 8th standard.
Right, 8th standard.
Name, please.
Ritika.
Ritika, R-I?
Rithika.
Okay, ma'am. And viewers, Sweta is going to tell about her daughter Ritika. I'll give you 1 minute, Ritika. You take 1 minute, and you can tell about your daughter for entire community, whatever it may be. You have to share about your daughter. 1 minute.
Okay.
Your time starts now.
So hi, sir. My name is Shweta. I have a daughter named Ritika Prashant. She is in class 8, and my daughter is a very playful, helpful child.
Teachers, look at her face. Look at her face. Look at her face.
She's extremely helpful. She's an independent child because she is able to take care of herself when I'm traveling for work purposes. She is able to, unlike other children, she is able to dress herself in the morning. She's able to pack her tiffin box, lunch and snacks.
What about her
water bottle,
favorite dish?
etc.
What about her favorite dish prepared by you?
Yeah, she likes Frankie that I make back home, a vegetable stuffing. She also likes rasam rice very much. And she is a good dancer. She participates in a lot of dance competition in the school.
Hello, madam.
She's
Hello, madam.
also-
Hello, madam. Hello, madam. Time is up. Over.
Okay.
I gave you only 1 minute.
Fine.
Okay, Shweta, are you happy?
Happy, sir.
Okay.
Happy. She's
Now-
also a badminton player.
Wait. Shweta, now you tell me about my daughter.
Your daughter, sir. I'm sure your daughter is also beautiful. Your daughter is equally helpful,
Look at her face. Look at
smart
her
and
face.
charming.
Look at her face. When I asked about her daughter, I know she was not able to, pick up this or that. No, she was, and she's, badminton player, and then she loves all this. And when I asked about my daughter, she's, commonly, very, 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 apparently she's telling that, she's good. No, you are so biased. When I asked about your daughter, you were, whole you're smiling and you are not able to control yourself. When I ask about my daughter, you are not able to tell even, one single sentence. You are just, roughly you have, but this is not Shweta's mistake. When I ask about her daughter, the day one she gave birth, started running like a video. Am I correct or not?
Right, sir.
Right? And everything poured, everything. But when I ask about my daughter, the screen has become white. No experience.
Correct.
This is what 99% scenario of our math class. Do you agree with me? Teachers, when there is no experience, there is no need to teach. I told you that, math can be smelled, math can be touched. So you can use, any kind of material which is very, very common, available in common places. But the thing is, I will tell you, I used to collect soda bottle caps from a petty shop to teach 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. They used to touch, soda bottle caps, which is available free of cost. So I used to take like that. I used to have kind of mobile math lab with me when I used to teach kids. Children dropped by BMW car will be standing in front of me like a beggar. Sir, please, sir, I will also touch this. Which one? That soda bottle caps. I will ask one question here. What is by 25? You tell me. What is by 25? What is meant by 25? Is there any answer? Number 2 tens and 5 ones, and 5 into 5 equal to 25. I don't know 25. And you people are telling 2 tens and 1 5. I don't know 25. Wait. Don't try to make me a fool here, because 25 means nothing. If I say, what is dog? You can show me a dog. What if I say elephant? What is elephant? You can show elephant. But if I ask, what is 25? You can't show 25. In whole world, there is no 25. Nowhere you can find 25. 25 pens, 25 chairs, 25 children, 25 tables means. So names, numbers are identification of an object, tangible object. That's all. If there is no object, there is no number. You people are very smart enough to, deal with the lifeless numbers, but you are expecting the same to the children. So please allow them to have experience first. You go to, did I teach you any maths? No. Please recite this mantra ELPS wherever you go. That may be 6th standard, that may be 7th standard, that may be 8th standard, that may be 10th standard. Any concept, you ask yourself first, have I given them E? No, then don't go to S. That's all. Now the ball is in your court. You have to take a call. How to give S? Have you ever come across this situation? What is 10 minus? What is 6 minus 10? What is 6 minus 10? in 600. Mahesh will be looking at you like this. Ma'am, 16? Arre Baba, 6 minus 10. Oh, sorry, ma'am. Minus 16? Because he knows very well that, something to be done with the 10 and 6. In 600, there are so many combinations here. Then, oh, sorry, sir. 6 minus 10 plus 4, ma'am. Then you will looking like, Suresh, I asked 6 minus 10. Oh, sorry, sir. Minus 4, ma'am. Oh, okay, correct. Finally, you will be laughing, and Suresh also be laughing. But he answered all 4 combinations. That the ironical thing is the right answer will come in the 4th attempt only. Right or wrong? 6 minus 10. Minus 4 comes in the last. Right? You ask the same question in the examination hall. You ask the same question in the exam. 6 minus 10 equal to 16. Very confidently. He won't care about anything. Very confidently, and he will not look second time at all. Why? In classroom, he goes on changing his answer. 6 minus 10 equal to 16. No, you don't like. Minus 16, you don't like. Plus 4, no, don't like. Minus 4, minus 4 is right. Why? He doesn't bother about 16. He doesn't bother about minus 16. He doesn't bother about plus 4. He doesn't bother about minus 4. He's bothering about only you here. He is bothering about only you. Why? Because you should be happy. Suresh wants you to be happy. That's all. So many degrees you have earned and sitting in front of you to teach maths. And you should be happy, yeah? That's all. Then why is not taking the turn in the examination hall? That is your part. You will be crying somewhere, not in front of me. When you correct my paper, you will be crying by sitting in the staff room or at your home. Am I correct or not? So what you should do is, please give them enough experience. Ask yourself whether I have given me experience or not. If there is no experience given, don't teach. Once I entered into 600 to teach integer addition. I didn't have any kind of material with me. I made boys are all positive, girls are all negative. If I say minus 2, then 2 girls should stand. If I say plus 3, 3 boys should stand. This is what the rule. I got a slap from girls' side. How can you, call us negative? Then I changed it, right? I changed it. Boys are, negative. Girls are positive. Boys told, okay, sir, no issues, sir. We can be negative, sir. Okay, this is what the aim. When I say plus 2, 2 girls should stand up. When I say plus minus 1, 1 boy should stand up. And if they are able to get to pair, they can sit down. So they have to get pair. Hey, we will sit down. Okay. So if they get pair, the remaining is the answer. So I asked minus 3. Then 3 boys stood up. I told plus 2. 2 girls stood up. 3 boys, 2 girls. They got pair. What is the answer? Sir, 1 boy, sir. No. Minus 1. Okay, sir. So what is that? Minus 3 plus 2 equal to minus 1. Okay, sir. Then I told minus 4. 4 boys stood up. Plus 5. 5 girls stood up. And 4 boys got 4 girls pair. And 1 girl was standing. What is the answer? Sir, plus 1, sir. Good. I said minus 3. 3 boys stood up. I said minus 4. Sir, what, sir? Girls are not called. Minus 3 and minus 4. Then 7 boys stood up. Sir, minus 4, minus 7, sir. Right? This game was going on and on and on and on and on and on for 40 to 50 round. Then finally it told, what is minus 200 plus 100? Minus 200 plus 100. Everybody answered, sir, 100 boys, sir. There was no 200 boys, 100 girls, but they were able to, they were able to run the video. 100 boys, sir. 100 boys means minus 100. That is knowledge. See, everybody can say that, multiplication table is difficult. Multiplication table, they are not familiar with the table. Why? Because when you ask, 7 8s are, Mahesh, you tell me what is 7 8s are? 1 7 is 7, 2 7s are 20, 3 7s are 20, 7 8s are 56. They used to say like that only. Why? Because 1 7 is 7, 2 7s are 14, everything in symbol level. He has to take from the cupboard, from his mind. It is not in the air. Math should be in the air. You give the soda bottle gaps of 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1 7, and 2 7s are 14, 3 7s are 21, 4 7s are 5 7s are 8 7s are 8 7s are 56. I am not able to hold in my hand, ma'am. Now you ask, what is 8 7s are? Ma'am, 8 7s are more than 50, man. That is knowledge. That is knowledge. 8 7s are 56 is not a knowledge. Ma'am, 8 7s are, I know very well, more than 50, ma'am, because my hands were, filled with a lot of this thing. It was more than 50. One child is a teacher asked, what is the word? 20 plus 5. The student told that 24. Everybody clapped. Then the teacher teaching in the next classroom came inside. Hey, you asked 20 plus 5. He answered 24. Everybody is clapping. Are you mad? Then the teacher responded, I am not mad. You are only the mad. Why? I asked this question 10 days back. He started with 8. What? 20 plus 5, 8. He has come to 24 now. That is experience. He should be able to recollect his experience. So, dear teachers, I'm here to tell you all people that now it is your turn. I don't know your children. I don't know your environment. What are the things available in your environment? You select, you collect, and make sure that you are giving experience to the children or not. I used to have 2 broomstick to teach why sine 90 equal to 1 and cos 90 equal to 0. See, I used to take two broomsticks, right? This is what theta. And this is what opposite side. This is the opposite side. This is adjacent. This is hypotenuse. When theta becomes 0, I have to bring down, right? When this comes down and opposite becomes shorter. At one point, opposite side becomes 0. That is the reason sine 0 is 0. Correct? Correct? 2 broomsticks. They will be looking at broomstick, not me. When theta becomes 0, hypotenuse adjacent becomes equal. That is the result. Cos 90 is 1. Sorry. Cos 0 is 1. cars, इसको one. So they will be looking at broomstick. So whatever is available, whenever you get, whenever you used to get this one, groundnut, nelakadala. Nelakadala, avicha nelakadala. In Tamil and Malayalam, എന്താ പറയാ മലയാളത്തില് ഇത് കടല നിലക്കടല groundnut, കപ്പലണ്ടി, and in Telugu chilkava, Telugu, whenever we used to have the groundnut, I won't throw the shells. I will collect all the children to go to my school to teach what? 5 table. Children will be counting 1 5 is 5, 2 5s are 10, 3 5s are so. Even so, what I'm trying to tell is, I will utilize a maximum level of objects available, so that our children get experience. What are they learning? Have you understood? Have you understood? 1 minute. So ELPS.
Right, sir. So thank you so much for a wonderful session. It was enlightening and entertaining for all the teachers who had participated today. And we had a very active participation of
And Sweta,
Yes, sir.
one more. You play the slide.
PPT, sir.
PPT. They can take down. This is math through psychology.
Sir, I'll email the PPT to the teachers because we have their email ID and we have their WhatsApp numbers also.
This is a small game. I will play and then we'll finish it up.
Right. Okay, sir. Just a minute. I'll just play the PPT.
Yeah.
Teachers, we are sharing the feedback link and the e-certificates link on the chat box. I would request all of you, please click on the link and collect your e-certificates by filling the feedback form. Similarly, we're doing on the YouTube also. I would request all of you to please click. I have already shared on the chat box. Please click on the chat box, click on the link and collect your e-certificates from here. Similarly, on YouTube as well. I would request all of you to click on the link and collect your e-certificates by giving in all your details on the feedback link. So I'll just play the PPT, sir, and then you can go ahead explaining.
Last but not least, the one is math through psychology. If there will be children will be very,
sir.
Yes. Everyone can see this magic square. Sweta, now I'm going to demonstrate an activity lively. You have 16 numbers in this box, right? Magic square 1A. Next one.
Just a minute. Yeah.
Next one. 1C. Next one. 1D. Next one. 1E. Okay. Come to 1A. Now the game is, teachers, listen carefully. Myself and Sweta is going to play this game. I will tell you the logic behind this, right? I used to play this game with the children with a very, very poor understanding of mathematics. I discussed with the psychiatrist and they gave me the solution that they should have an understanding of a small thing which will be very difficult for other one. So if they go and play with them, they will say that, hey, you have become good in maths, you are good in maths. That will boost up their self-esteem, and then they'll start learning on their own. This is only psychological way of tapping them. Okay, this is a small game. I will play with Shweta, and you will understand the depthness of the game, right? Shweta, I will show you 5 cards. One named 1A, 1B, 1C, 1D, 1E, and each and every card will have 16 numbers. You go through each and every number very, very carefully, and then tell me yes if your date of birth is present, and tell me no if there is no your date of birth, right? So 5 times you are going to tell me yes or no. Shall we start?
Okay, sir.
Very carefully. You are not supposed to say no. No. Yes. Okay. You are not supposed to. You have to tell only once yes or no by going through all the numbers very carefully. 1A, say yes or no.
Okay, sir. No.
Next, 1B.
Yes.
Okay. 1C.
Yes.
1D.
No. Yes,
1D.
sorry.
Huh?
Yes. Yes.
Say 1D, yes or no, yeah.
Yes.
So, okay, 1E.
No.
So, come on. 1A. 1A. 1A, no. 1B, yes.
Sorry, sir. 1A, yes.
Arey, Sweta.
1A, yes.
1A, yes. 1B,
1B, yes.
1C, yes.
1C, yes.
1D, yes.
1D, yes.
1D,
And
no.
1E, no.
No. So, your date of birth is 15th.
You're right, sir.
How do you feel? Is there anyone to play this game? Is there anyone? Okay. Shweta, you think about any number from 1 to 31, because it is very difficult for them to suppose.
Correct. Unmute. Yeah.
You think any date, right? Shall we start? Come on, quick.
Right.
1A,
Yes, sir.
1A,
Hmm.
1A,
Yes.
1B,
No.
no. 1C,
Yes.
1D,
No.
1E.
No.
Then you thought of number 5.
Right, sir.
Okay. I will tell you, teachers, how are you feeling now? Oh, great here. Nothing. It's a very simple logic. I will tell you because we don't have time. 1A. Shweta, 1A. Now, what is, the first column number is 1. Take down that number 1. Second one is 1B, 2. So 1, 2. 1C, 4. 1D, 8. 1E, 16. So the key numbers are 1, 2, 4, 8, 16. I repeat, key numbers are 1, 2, 4, 8, 16. If your number is there, you take the number. Otherwise, you leave the number, and finally you add. For example, Shweta Suda's date of birth, I found it 1A. She said yes in 1A. 1A. She said yes in 1A. So 1. I will update 1. This is 1. This is 2. This is 4. This is 8. This is 16. Are you able to?
Yes, sir.
Okay. 1, 2, 4, 8, 16. Shweta said yes. So I took 1. Shweta said yes. I took 2. Shweta said yes. I took 4. Shweta said yes. I took 8. Shweta said, no, I didn't take 16. So 1, 2, 4, 8. Addition 50. That's all. Have you understood?
Yeah. Yes, sir.
Now you can have this number with you. She will hand. So use this kind of tricks in between so that children with demotivated, they can come out of their shells. Okay, they should have success at least once in their life. If they get this taste of success, definitely they will after you, and that engine will start. Engine should start. Yeah. So take care of ELPS, take care of John Holt, take care of Yijubai Badega, take care of children with difficulties. And I pray Almighty for you all become successful math teacher in your career. Thank you so much. Is there
Thank you, sir.
is
Thank
there
you so
feedback?
much.
Is there?
Yeah, there is. We have shared a feedback link. All the teachers, we would request you to please fill all your feedback so that we can share your e-certificates with you. Once you fill the feedback in this link, what we are sharing on the chat box, you will be getting your e-certificates. Thank you so much for taking time out and joining with us today and making this session a wonderful, wonderful program today. Thank you so much, one and all. Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
everyone.
Thank you so much.